Good evening, friends. Welcome to Zero Fear English. Today, we will discuss on a basic chapter known as singular and plural. दोस्तों, सिंगुलर का मतलब होता है सिंगल और प्लूरल का मतलब होता है मोर देन वन. तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं इसी के साथ. सिंगुलर को प्लूरल में कैसे कन्वर्ट किया जाता है? सबसे पहला तरीका है, द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज adding s with the word. As you can see the examples, like hand becomes hands, I में अगर s लगाते हैं it becomes eyes, and apple becomes apples. Friends, similarly, the next point is words ending with a y. If a consonant is written before, then we add ies, like story becomes stories, lolly becomes lollies, and strawberry becomes strawberries. But in case of the words such as bay, it will be bays, only s will be added, and boy will become boys, because y से पहले एक vowel आ रहा है, इसलिए इसमें ies नहीं ऐड हो रहा है. Please remember this. Now coming to the third point, words ending with ch, x, s, sh and o will be suffixed with es. जैसे कि आप एग्जाम्पल में देख पा रहे हैं, मैंगो will become mangoes, bush will become bushes, potato will become potatoes, and box will become boxes, class will become classes. Coming to the fourth point, words ending with f, fe and lf will be added with ves. As you can see in the example, knife will become knives, wolf will become wolves, life will become lives, themselves will become themselves, shelf बन जाता है shelves. बट यहां पे एक जिस्ट है, chiefs, handkerchiefs and cliffs, such words will not be added with ves, but only s will be added. Coming to the fifth method, which is known as irregular forms. Here we can see so many examples, like woman becomes woman, tooth becomes teeth, child becomes children, bison becomes bison only, ox becomes oxen, fish becomes fish, person becomes people, and much more. Coming to the sixth method of changing singular into plural, we can see here, if the group acts in union, we use it as a singular verb. For example, the class was successful, the team was professional. दोस्तों, यहाँ पे जो टीम है वो एक यूनियन की तरह काम कर रही है, इसलिए इसमें एक सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज किया जा रहा है. जस्ट टेक अ केस ऑफ द सेंटेंस, द टीम वॉज प्रोफेशनल. इस सेंटेंस में टीम एक यूनियन है और वॉज एक सिंगुलर वर्ब है. आई होप you have understood with this example. Okay, fine. Now coming to the next, if the group is used individually, if the group acts individually, we use it as a plural verb. For example, the children are playing among themselves. In this sentence, children is a group and they are playing individually. Therefore, we are using a plural verb like playing. And coming to the next example, the thieves are fighting among themselves. So, friends, the thieves here are a group which are acting individually among themselves, like they are fighting among themselves. So, that's why we are using a plural verb which is fighting. फ्रेंड्स, इसी के साथ हम कुछ प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे जिससे ये होगा कि आपने जो अभी तक सीखा है उसका एक छोटा सा टेस्ट हो जाएगा एंड वी कैन असेस कि वी आर गोइंग विद द चैप्टर्स. कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस है, तो लेट्स प्रोसीड विद द प्रैक्टिस. यहाँ पे कुछ सिंगुलर वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं, हमें इसका प्लूरल कन्वर्ट करना है, जैसे कि चाइल्ड, party, boy, fish, desk. So please take a screenshot of this and practice on your own. Now I will come to the answer key. So friends, you can see child becomes children, party becomes parties, पोटैटो बिकम्स पोटैटोज, और टॉय बन जाता है टॉयज, की बन जाता है कीज, ऑक्स बन जाता है ऑक्सन, काफ बन जाता है काफ्स, नाइफ बन जाता है नाइफ, फोन बन जाता है फोन्स, हाउस बन जाता है हाउसेस एंड मच मोर. इसी के साथ हम लास्ट आंसर की को शिफ्ट करके अभी एक नए प्रैक्टिस सेशन पे आएंगे जिसमें हम जो सिंगुलर नाउन्स हैं उनको प्लूरल नाउन्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. बट ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस आर इन सेंटेंस फॉर्म. सो नाउ माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच मेडिटेरेनियन डैश आर द क्लीनेस्ट. नाउ ब्रैकेट में आपको ऑप्शन दिया गया है, सिंगुलर वर्ड दिया गया है, दैट इज बीच. So beach will be converted into beaches. So the answer is beaches. Similarly, the next question is, do you like dash? So the answer will be tomatoes. Similarly, you can take the screenshot of this slide also for your practice. But now I'm shifting to the answer keys of that last question here. Please take a screenshot for this also for your reference. And now I'll be shifting to the next exercise. That is a practice for writing correct plural noun in the blanks. Now the first question is, how many dash does your cat catch? So the singular word is mouse. इसका plural होगा mice. Next question is, they usually keep their winter clothes in the box. So इसका आंसर होगा boxes. You can see, and please take a screenshot of this practice as well as the answer keys. So friends, with this I have completed my presentation on singular and plural. Please feel to ask any questions in the comment box, and if you feel that this video has helped us, then please like and subscribe and share. And thank you very much for watching, and Jai Hind.